everyone. We are talking today about the common phrase through thick and thin. The phrase through thick and thin means to stay loyal and supportive in both good times and bad. It describes strong relationships where people stick together no matter what happens. Excuse me. Thick represents good times, and thin represents hard times. The phrase is often used to talk about friendships, family, or romantic relationships that remain strong even during difficult times. It emphasizes loyalty, commitment, and support in all situations. Here are some example sentences. Sarah and Emma have been best friends through thick and thin. They always support each other. A strong marriage means standing by each other through thick and thin. Even when he lost his job, his family stayed with him through thick and thin. So use this phrase when talking about loyalty, strong relationships, or lasting commitment. It's a great way to describe deep friendships, strong family support, or dedication to someone or something over time. Please join us and like and subscribe to our channel. We love your company. Happy learning, guys. Bye-bye.